Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm diving into my personal, tried and true tips for getting healthy, shiny hair naturally. Ready? Let's get started. First up, nutrition and hydration. Drink a glass of water every morning. Simple, right? For hair nutrition, focus on vitamins A, C, E, zinc, and omega-3 rich foods. Think avocados, fatty fish, and nuts. Next, less heat. Let your hair dry naturally whenever you can. And if you love curls, try braiding your hair instead of using heat styling tools. Rosemary is a game changer. Use rosemary water or tea as a rinse, or apply rosemary oil diluted in olive, coconut, or jojoba oil as a 20-30-minute mask before washing. It promotes healthy hair growth. Oil masks are a must. A small quantity of castor, coconut, olive, or jojoba oil applied as a 20-minute mask before washing can make your hair resilient and shiny. Honey isn't just for your tea. Add a teaspoon to your conditioner for that natural shine boost. Feeling adventurous? Try an avocado honey and olive oil mask to revive dry, brittle hair. It's like a spa day for your strands. Egg yolks have been used for centuries to add natural shine. Just use 2 yolks, leave them in for 15 minutes, then rinse well. Yogurt or buttermilk makes an excellent hair mask and is fantastic for your scalp. Give it a go. A milk rinse can do wonders. Whole milk, rich in vitamins and calcium, can revive dull, dry hair. Use it after shampooing for best results. Finally, choose a natural pH shampoo with fewer ingredients and scents. Your hair will thank you. So there you have it, my top 10 tips for gorgeous, healthy hair. And don't forget the power of scalp massage. Gentle, of course. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own hair care secrets in the comments below. Until next time, stay fabulous.